What's going on, guys? This is Vince with vshred.com, and in today's workout we're going to keep it simple. I have a beginner ab workout. You don't need any equipment. You can do this from anywhere. Yes, I'm in a gym, but I'm not actually going to be using anything in the gym. It's just a good environment. So let's do this. All right, like I said, in today's video, I'm gonna take you through an ab workout. I'm not necessarily going to go second by second with you, but I'm gonna walk you through the sets, the reps, the exercises, the rest. That way you guys can either write this down or just come back to this video, maybe save the link somewhere, maybe like it so it's in your liked videos. Go ahead and click the thumbs up button below so it's in your liked video so you can come back to this. But it's gonna be a good ab workout for anybody who is new to abs. If you're somebody who has insane abs and you do ab workouts all the time, might be a little too easy for you. But anybody who is trying to improve their core strength, someone might be a little bit newer, it's gonna be an amazing workout. Now I will say, if you are newer to the gym or you're just trying to get your abs to pop out, you can't be focusing on ab workouts. An ab workout is not going to get fat off of your body. You have to be focusing on lowering your body fat percentage. That's gonna come by diet. I know it sucks, but it's not as bad when you figure out what kind of diet you need to do for your body type. What's going to agree? This means no low carb crash diets, no fat, fad diets. Figure out what your body type is and follow a diet and a training plan for your body type. And we have a free body type quiz. If you don't know what yours is, it tells you exactly what you need to do to get in shape. It's in the link down in the description below this video. Go ahead and hit that if you want to learn your body type. But other than that, let's get into this workout. All right, so I'm gonna take you through this workout. Like I said, it's gonna be 4 different exercises that we're gonna go through, and then some of them we're gonna do for reps, some we're gonna do for rest. So let's get into it. First exercise, you're gonna be laying down on the mat, laying on your back, and this one is going to be called a dead bug. So for dead bug, you're almost going to be like you're a dead bug here. You're laying on the ground and you're a dead bug. So your knees are gonna be up, 90-degree angle, and then your hands are also going to be up. And so thighs, arms pointed straight towards the ceiling or the sky. From here, you're going to keep it very controlled, and you're going to take, let's say, your right arm and your left leg, and you're going to drop them down. So you're gonna go down with your leg, up with your arm, and you're going to just tap them on the ground and then bring them back up to the center. And then you're going to do that with the opposite arm and opposite leg. Tap it and back up. And so what you don't want to do here is go like this, because this is not controlled. You want to keep this as controlled as possible. That way you're constantly working your core and stabilizing yourself the whole time. So going back and forth just like that, dropping it down nice and controlled. Slow it down if you're going too fast. You should be feeling a nice little burning sensation going on in your abs. You should definitely feel this working. So you're gonna go 12 reps, okay? So you're gonna go, so arm and leg, other arm, other leg, that's 1 rep. So you gotta go both 12. So if you count one of those as 1 each, 24 reps. So 12 full reps, and then you're going to rest for 10 seconds. You're gonna flip over, and you're gonna go 20 seconds in a plank. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Make sure that your back is straight. Make sure you're not dipping down, butt's not up in the air. 20 seconds, holding it. Make sure you do the full 20 seconds. Then you're gonna rest for 10 seconds. After that, we're gonna get into a beginner Russian twist. So 10 seconds of rest, then flipping back over, feet on the ground. So regular Russian twist, you're gonna be leaning back and your feet are gonna be up off the ground. You're gonna be twisting like this. Beginner Russian twist, you're just gonna have your heels laying there on the ground to make it a little bit easier. If you don't need their feet on the ground, pick them up. But you're gonna take your arms, you're gonna hold them right here, and then what you're gonna focus on is not your arms going down to each side. You're gonna keep your arms here, and you're gonna focus on rotating and turning your shoulders as far as you can to one side, and then turning them over to the other side. And so you're just focusing on that rotation as much as possible, which is really going to help to work those oblique muscles in your core. So going back and forth, you're gonna go 12 each way. So if you're going, you can go 1, 2, 3, 4, you're gonna count up to 24. Or you can go 1, 2, 3, go up to 12. Then you're gonna rest for 10 seconds, flip over, planks again. So you're gonna hold the plank for 20 seconds, making sure that back is nice and straight, engaging your core the whole time. Don't just hang out in here. Engage your core, squeeze, feel it, hold it for 20 seconds, then stop, rest for 10 seconds. After you've rested for 10 seconds, you're gonna get into the third and final of the different exercises, I should say, which is going to be a reach through. So you're gonna get down into almost like a sit-up position here. You're gonna have your knees bent, feet flat on the ground, laying back, and you're gonna take your hands, they're gonna be up towards the sky, and you're going to take this and you're going to crunch up and reach through. Back up to the sky, reach through. Crunch up, reach through. Now the reason that we're actually doing with this with our hands is to create a little bit of momentum, because like I said, this is a beginner ab workout. So if you don't need this momentum that you're creating by your hands going like this, then don't do it. Keep your hands down here and just reach through just like that. So reach through, reach through. If you can't do that, hands up, create a little bit of momentum. Nice and controlled, focusing on contracting your abs, and you're gonna go 12 reps again, flip over, 20 seconds of a plank. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. Rest for 30 seconds. All right, so running back through it one last time. Since that's one cycle, we're gonna do this 3 times. So dead bug, 12 full reps. That's both sides 12 times. You're gonna rest for 10 seconds, then you're gonna flip over a plank. Hold that plank for 20 seconds, engage your core, then rest another 10 seconds. You're gonna go into the beginner Russian twist. So don't do these beginner style if you don't need to. If you need to, put your heels on the ground, focus on rotating your core, focus on turning those shoulders, engaging those abs as much as possible. Rest for 10 seconds, flip over, plank, another 20 seconds. After the plank, rest for another 10 seconds. Then we're gonna go on our back, sit-up position, reach throughs, create the momentum if you need to. Don't create the momentum if you don't need to, depending on what your level of fitness is, I guess. And then after you do 12 full crunches and really engage your abs as much as possible, rest for 10 seconds, get into another plank, plank for 20 seconds, and then rest for 30 seconds. So all of that is one cycle. You're gonna aim to do 3 cycles if you can. If you can't do 3, go for 2. If you can do 3 easily, go for 5, or go for as many as you can until your abs are really fatigued. This is going to help you build all the different core muscles and help you build a stronger stomach, help you build stronger ab muscles. But if you're trying to get the fat off of your abs, this is not going to help you that much. You have to get your diet in check. Body type quiz, plug in the description. Hit that link, take the quiz, and watch the video at the end. Other than that, if you guys like this video, you guys like these ab workouts, make sure you're subscribing to the channel. I got videos coming all week, every week, videos that you guys want me to cover, just popular topics in general. I got a full channel. I've been making videos for a long time, but I'm always curious to know what you guys want to learn, so make sure you're commenting any topics you want me to cover and subscribing. That way, if I do make a video about that, you get notified. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one.